Types of target audience. How to identify and reach them. Success depends on connecting with the right customers, not casting the widest net. Identifying your target audience helps maximize budgets, personalize marketing, and deliver messages that resonate. This paper explores audience types, strategies to identify them, and ways to build loyal market segments and brand advocates. 10 types of target audiences. Demographic, based on age, gender, income, for example, luxury watches for high-income males 35-55. Psychographic, focuses on values and lifestyles, for example, eco-conscious buyers. Behavioral, targets actions like purchase history, for example, cart abandoners. Geographic, location-based, for example, snow services for northern areas. Technographic, tech preferences, for example, app users. Firmographic, business traits, for example, software for mid-sized firms. Generational, specific age groups, for example, millennials. Lifestyle, daily habits, for example, fitness for outdoor lovers. Life stage, key phases, for example, meal kits for young professionals. Benefit seeking, needs-based, for example, anti-aging skincare. Demographic targeting focuses on measurable traits like age or income, for example, retirees aged 50-65, while psychographic targeting explores values and lifestyles, for example, eco-conscious consumers. Together, they provide a comprehensive view of the audience, answering who and why for effective segmentation. Conduct market research to analyze trends, competitors, and demographics. Use customer data to find patterns and key traits, then create buyer personas to guide messaging. Gather feedback through surveys and reviews to refine insights. Regularly update research to stay aligned with evolving markets and preferences. Defining your target audience with buyer personas. 1. What is a buyer persona? A buyer persona is a detailed, semi-fictional profile of your ideal customer, combining demographics, behaviors, motivations, and goals. It humanizes your target audience, helping businesses tailor strategies to specific needs and preferences. A strong persona includes traits like demographics, job role, goals, challenges, and communication preferences. 2. How to create effective buyer personas. Research customer data and insights to find patterns and shared traits. Group similar customers and develop detailed profiles with names, backstories, and relevant characteristics. Focus on business-specific details and create multiple personas for key segments. Validate personas with real customer data and team feedback for accuracy. 3. Using personas in marketing strategies. Buyer personas shape marketing by personalizing content, selecting channels, guiding product improvements, and aiding sales strategies. They help craft targeted messages and customer journeys, aligning teams with a clear audience understanding for better relationships and business growth. AnyBiz.io uses AI to tailor outreach across diverse audience segments. Its multi-channel engagement, personalized content, and smart timing ensure messages resonate with specific groups. Features like automated email responses, custom landing pages, LinkedIn brand awareness, and AI cold calling allow businesses to target and engage effectively. By automating client acquisition, AnyBiz streamlines the entire process, from prospecting to appointment scheduling, enhancing efficiency and personalization. Experience its full potential with a 7-day free trial. Examples of target audiences: luxury EV manufacturer, affluent, eco-conscious professionals, 35-55, valuing sustainability and status. Organic baby food, health-conscious millennial parents, 25-40, prioritizing natural diets for their kids. Mobile banking app, young tech-savvy professionals, 22-35, seeking convenience and financial management. Online education, career-driven individuals, 25-45, seeking flexible learning for upskilling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.